Hello friends, I, Bhatia, welcome you to my YouTube channel Maths DNA from origin to infinity. In this video, we are going to discuss a question of Csir-Net Part B, June 2019. But before that, let me share something with you that if you are preparing for Csir-Net Mathematics, then we have provided an all-in-one book with 2000 plus solved questions as well as material. You can find the PDF of this book exclusively on our Telegram channel and the link is given below in the description. Moving on to our question. The question is, for n belongs to n, the set of natural numbers, which of the following is true? The options are A. Root n plus 1 minus root n is greater than 1 upon root n for all except possibly finitely many n. Option B. Root n plus 1 minus root n is less than 1 upon root n for all except possibly finitely many n's. Option C. Root n plus 1 minus root n is greater than 1 for all except possibly finitely many n's. And option D. Root n plus 1 minus root n is greater than 2 for all except possibly finitely many n's. Here you can please easily observe that in all the options they are just talking about root n plus 1 minus root n. If you try to solve this using values of n, it will take a longer time and you will not be able to find any of the options correct so far. So what you need to do, whenever you are given such a sequence or such a term with root, always try to rationalize it, that is multiply it and divide it with its conjugate, that will be root n plus 1 plus root n. Now when you multiply and divide the given term with this term, you get root n plus 1 minus root n multiplied by root n plus 1 plus root n divided by root n plus 1 plus root n. This will give you n plus 1 minus n upon root n plus 1 plus root n. N gets cancelled out from the numerator and you are just left with 1 upon 2 root n. That will be definitely less than 1 upon 2 root n, and 1 upon 2 root n will be less than 1 upon root n for all n belongs to n. And so option B, that is root n plus 1 minus root n, is less than 1 upon root n for all except finitely possible n's, will be correct. Thank you, and you can be a member of our social club and watch 260 plus videos on our YouTube channel and get a complete study material for any hard mathematics competitive exam from our Telegram channel.